How to make Discord text bigger. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make Discord text bigger. First of all, open Discord. Choose the chat from direct messages. Tap on Blocks link to open its chat. Then open MEE chat. After that, open your group chat. Send a message as hello or hey. Then use hashtag sign from keyboard and type hello. Send the text. As you can see, the text is bigger than the one you sent before. Use the hashtag sign and type any text, and then send it. It's making the text bigger in size. You can send as many messages you want with hashtag sign to make them bigger. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.